was for a juicy news. Bema Obibia Akwaba. Latest hot Yakwa Eramede Bremo. Now answer and something in Abebano, so we now subscribe ya. Bomodia say over subscribe to channel. Now while like video, give us a thumbs up. Nafi share ba wo fufro so that when you be here now and somewhere koso ewo Ghana be mo adam. Afi ye share eye and somewhere abeto ye pono so. Yinti eye sankomo ya aba abeto ya yinti eye sasebi mainti.
Maya kwa homa no esona me ne ya wa no chefrem pon kodi enkomo. Lawyer, good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho wo ho ye de.
Nyankopon adom me ho ye pa.
Ye da nyame ase. Wadaroma lawyer Martin Kwebu any OSP issue a wo montemfa allegation or ye ede to ne so a wo so meyi ne ho ano. I think say sa ankomo no wa follow but enra ya wo ho anwumra na ye tin say wa hankofe na detain no. Enwum ansa na ju konko ko be 11 ye tin say wa yi no ye nsɛmtwɔfo ne Martin Kwebu di nkomo e mo kyerɛ say o can say panel na wa set no e subordinate to Kwabena Agyapong. It was to say open independent body. E che no ni soja ni bi kokko ntokwa soja ni be didi na tem no so retaliate ye e no mo detain no. I don't know. OSP detaining somebody no on what grounds so bet me detaining will be because him so arrest powers do.
Pacho meje etu me say OSP and as Office of the Special Prosecutor our powers of arrest. Now our powers of arrest. Let's say sentinel aban apone police for 2 million bi at the amount. Into our power of arrest. Now, our power of arrest, our power to detain. And now, our power to detain, then you will have power to investigate based on the arrest. Into NFA power to prosecute. Now, no, to do with corruption and corruption-related issues.
Okay.
It is OSP ni tumi no investigation nhwehwemu Afenyo otumi di obi adiko court ekobo no court prosecution Afenyo toso miensa asset recovery chese ejapade bi wo ho otumi age adema aban ne toso and prevention say behwe say normally enkoso Tanzania must be directly or indirectly related to corruption. And it's a obstruction too.
Hello
or structure will be to say aban nipa no one penny man ye nejuma to say bia me fan say police need kromfo bi achi no ba be sha with them. Now instead they say we be yi na ma police for no wo mom na wa lock epono no stand your police for no entimi enchi nipa no a and no ne obstruction.
Okay
enti na say enra no ya ye patra ne say sojani no nansa na public so be hu so be sojani na so she uniform the sojani ne ye na djuma and na lawyer ni a kute jai na shobi to say Martin Pebu sebe wuti ni dia on to say Martin Zuma Nelson na DK poison enti many abre obstruction be ya na Martin Pebu a wonam ho obeka se wo kwa akote ahwe obi onim ni bia ni say wonye obi a physically no obeka se obi a ahwodene ewo ni mu na no na edin na wa go school no say okosia box na karata nka wawu dadadada wawu na wotumi ka se abrantie we obstructive wa obstructive obi aso ti se bi o ordinary officer na ya titi se sojani a wo sha tare ehyeche na sojani bia so namo a yenim se no ma bebre ahyehye wo ho a yentumi modin wo abonten enti na kwakoye bibi te se wodi hwemu a ensam a Martin Pebu nso ema ni kopie ho say yade a Martin Pebu na yade asam ato no so ana ya to nsafra ne se wo mra ana bi oduru ho no ne wo mu kontokwa ana dia wo de ne kwahye kantaba eye obstruction Now, in the case, say, Papa mu a witness for the Republic. One no all boamona motume aye mojuma.
Yeah.
Not say one watching say obstructing obi all because of exchange of words. Because one can say obono and one can say jenino so a bono. And no dear, I mean me hobby dear. Now me did this they've gone too far. It is a Bawumia Campaign, so obstructing will be so jenny or Bawumia Campaign tiacho and what civilian biati or Bakasi more engineers you were Martin Popu you be a debut campaign say Agyapong special prosecutor in Juma yen. But what is your man say more and the main dream when he said ne papa muno.
Yeah.
Nanka office of the special prosecutor. A friend say, Martin Popu obstruction no and yet directly to do with Bonia or no aye.
Yeah.
No beside the issue. So Janina enya your friend say you can say tawa die no now Obama ya with transparency ye na adwuma no and dey to bring police for na ya be fa wo ye chima to Popu ko na ye ya so jani no ayi wo mu bienu na yi ano ho enti wo ba ring police na ya ba be fa wo mu bienu akọ and ye be si wo police station bia na nye office of the special prosecutor some. The Sisiana who said Gina Homa, Office of the Special Prosecutor. Now your friend is a Martin Pebu Sunne, Tapapano Anka. It is a Mia Mijinahi. Ya debia Mekasama, Manutia, Nibre, said Tia was a Meya Bonnet. Mentias, yes, say. Okay, my number example say Martin Pebu you to Michino.
Yeah.
Now Ghana police to be called Nigeria. Or my more than 100 million, a year one of the most. The roughest countries in the world, and they can't near to me for rescue Ghana for 1 man, you know, ya kidnap baby. Nigerian police couldn't to me in your worship. At the end, I said, Obitis of Oriata, our America, America, baby, I wouldn't be a CCTV camera air show. Well, no, yet to me, Fanima, I Ghana buy so name, America buy your very sound relationship. No, the PR special prosecutor, a press conference, Papa to me, Malda, so at the hospital now, our life support to Canada than go away. Now, what to me, Fanima? No, be a water boa, a die. No, you wouldn't when they are corrupt, when they say, what is said, Pano? I can say, yeah, I'm just civilian, but surgery, and the channel. Me pacho, me jidi said. Martin Pebu aba abonti, he knows what to do. And you say a special prosecutor, you baby, the powers no, starting any baby, epim. And yes, next time, you be Martin Pebu and this in on your MPP. Yeah. And I mean, this in a mini MPP. And to yearn the Buagan of one, my assembliano, over with the two sides of the coin. And yes, sir, send this in Kasa, wouldn't baby or Debakwa. MPP ni kasa woni be ba kwa kobi na yangie ye kan mi anu nyina anura station be frame and e bi some about Jean Mensa na some no aba me ka this is say from what say Mahama so share president ya be say kwa enkobe wo justice Kingsley nyina ani ya friend Safari Jai mo say wo mu nyina ye de wo mu stiswa o mu ye penifo and it's all year the Juman Kikariam. I know no cocoa Charlotte as a young lady at the back. Problems are a bye. And from Swakofa, young lady, because young lady are yet 28 years old, make her relatively between one more or any new ones. And the problems are by and going forward. You will be a young job over 60 years or 62. Not as about 2 times. And now 1 time or best 64, 65. 1 time okona safo no manananom e wa badai na education no kwa wo de hwede obekwa kofa akola kitua bi atena safo no so oba ye party adwuma anientra bitumi bo Mahamachi na me bo Akufo Addo achi no and I don't belong to those two parties no nti me kasa e togana fo aso sa na Martin Pebu tie na yantumi ammo bi ti se Martin Pebu ho ban a and that say wontumi mo Anokye ho ban na wo ye ni say na say next time no nkasa bi mo na aha Ghana for because nye Ghana ni bia na pen MPP asemetie ana nye Ghana ni bia na pen DC asemetie ana so obi so pen MPP no or sa per the other side etie nti obi ti say Martin Pebu no sabi o man bi so a nkwa celebrity e bo no ho ban na wotumi tietia the fact who die say obstruction one obstruction of yatiti ana typist bia office wo baby ne yakwa kosum na whole soldier ni o say uniform and now police ni a o say uniform and na wo civilian what me outfit akwa kokua bi mukra because e betuma ba so soldier ni kura civilian bi wo de chen and no de yakokua and yetumi yes na public place to say office ho a wo say soldier atare Martin Pebu betuma outfit mpacho kono emwa ye nyina emwa obi a
lawyer, me de bo ba ko ebe kum no mamie no. OSP office na nkasa no. Yenim petitions aba what say president I refer the ama chief justice say on share ni electoral commission nyina. Ye sure said ye mra no make provisions for say obi ye adwuma na ontimi nye ni yi a ye betimi afa sa mra kwan na so ni yi nipa no. Electoral Commission ni OSP dia na aba no nkorfo align to Chief Justice dia ne say President ye Chief Justice dia na say automatically no Electoral Commission any OSP so ebeko sa adwene no ye politics na ama kata emra na da ho ne so ana na asoman dia ne be ya fa ho.
That's it. The last part of your question na me paper say as on mine dia na ye beye afa ho. Ni edi kan no me start from otchere ho office of the special prosecutor. So wo share omo office na corruption related.
Yeah.
And omo investigating. Mr. Wa office of the special prosecutor yen create here no. Me nim say ya wo ye dimu akotene pa ni police overwhelmingly bibiafa boni affect of mind bi o mo na yesa adwuma no ansa na yoko any your friends the commission of human rights na ade so ede wo ho abedigi na Ghana di bia ni say organization bi so a friend special branch in champion time in the otchere baba friend bia na bureau of national investigation and na ya national investigation bureau so then ni na ya de ba ko wo mu ye high level investigation edumated and sa BNI ya na be NIB no because wo mu sini M53 ya no ni ya the investigation e di tire ni wo enti ne sini nya fifi na sha se tutu a you know ade afa crab no nam Burkina Faso kura no gina mpo anu o James Town ote ne ho pampan the office of the special prosecutor there na no mi hu say omo PR actually won adwuma ni mu say kwan ya fa any attorney general there no not chere mu Ghana for NTS your person said there is a difference between the two oka oboa in this country under our law all investigations all prosecutions are done for and on behalf of the attorney general. It's in your woman you know ye PR a special advisor. Attorney general na you know. And now PR ne person chire mu say and now say attorney general ne ya buying minister. And you know no maybe we want na the fa attorney general ho no a enko ye te say minister di aye bone. Now the call attorney general no see a minister. And you know, a better and you know, open, powerful, transparent. Yeah, the core office of the special prosecutor. The patron no so kasa obua. Actually, say special prosecutor no. Patron ya Roman for the you know, and then your national chief imam na you know, a president na you know, just as the president here, attorney general no. Into a yantro. Now in practice no, it's no. I say I buy so good. Office of the special prosecutor because a waste of everybody's resources. And they say, a organization our politicians, ministers, are there buying a power wanted. What would the money and he said that the alcohol? Study a bay and feel you near a Juman. Now, when the Namoa because when you know what the comma. Your friend say NIB National Investigation Bureau and now say what they call Koma Iyoko and now what the police here. I'm sure now Nipani had not to be good anymore. And and no nam so Akufo Addo edit to me ni ma Amidu ayi Martin Amidu no wo say papa na ye ready so be ye nadwuma o make sure say ya man ni obetumi di aye adwuma na papa ne dey frustration ekoye ade ade kisi ajabe bo no de oye adwuma no fine adwuma no oye no fine e bi ni say ya dapa amanfo se bola su minister kura ne betu sika e wo won pass because ne kosi say ebi so ne say Ofori Atta die ani bibia your friend say office of the special prosecutor could be a government ministers and to the extent to say office of the special prosecutor neighborhood a bobo NPP for ministers of Hoban abo NDC ministers of Hoban the NPP for bobo yeah Hoban internet say what form na ntumi furu bia ye bu anwa di gu ani so because assembly could do police station and I say national investigation period it will be handled differently and expertly engineer Kwesi Ajabi nyaboni bia no ye de bo aban no anim say de bo won panifo ho bai na aban no eseme ongusa office no because aims na ye de ama on objectives no to do with investigations and then prosecutions concerning corruption no me pacho nya na na be ye bibie nim dada say ye police fu adwuma and ye nim dada so say a friend say Baakye serious fraud officer no ne fa Yoko ko Britain fraud office and no na Ghana ye friend Yoko economic and organized crime office and you the same as investigating corruption. And just how bibi be friend office of the special prosecutor. And the empire how different is it from what we know already? Menkan BNI and Ghana for BNI, a champion time your friend special branch, any Yoko, any Ghana police. How different to Ghana for my country? And to myself, say, on my way back to me, I said, Nanichine ya, you to me the petition called Parliament, now President Mahama. Ojunu humienu no twam ne ntra so twam na ne say kama na Akufo Addo edisa office ede ba no edisifu a what parliament they opposed it some fast one PN no so oh eba boa yenti sa de okwakofa nipa kora wonye MPP ni no waba be ye head ene ede ma Martin Amidu ode ba no mo share that stavo papa ya computer kora yamfa bi ansi nanim ntina say ode and to a Korean say one Ato and in intimacy say this for opposite, which is on record. Say this for say that office in area or yours, where for because to redundant and superfluous. But say you take up you may be on better my institutions were a year dada. And no one went here. And she said, no, I thought to say, and better to say, you live. And Dana, one mobile, and can say, one muchum, and yet let young chum. A family family, Yamame, Jean Mensa, Esso. Yamame, Jean Mensa, no, Mediano, and they say, would be some questions, said, dear, no, mind betting me, I, chef, Kotoko, and they has a bubble, Ewo Kumasi. Now catch that. Kotoko say your friend the house for say moving cramo by ya monfa referee emra no medi match no MIA and then it is a house for winning match na wi otherwise no so your first dan near to Mr. Kotoko 3 nail mpa Kotoko ni bia beka say sorry yes has 3 nail kura e beka so say referee no wo mu ade ne bank be ya be 6 nail near say a year dying the president and any party election no they will be part of the contestants. Now the same president and on nominated will be say young fanning electoral commission we say in Ghana no nomination also means appointment. Because me who will be a president and nominating no will my way say mu so apart from Professor Kofi Awudo, or no, the annual year and the annual for us, you got Tróuble could be at the president before one or one them was Antifonia can when you know, the Ghana Revolution. It is a very condemnable book. And yes, I in Somra Mayor, a Minister for Foreign Affairs for Ghana. Tiabra ye kenkan books numu katafabino. Let us on your bill bet to me Ejina Wama Ghana man. Wabra wajune ya on say I can't win yet the papa. Intia what ye MPP ni NDC winning yinara condemn papa noma ye Professor Kofi Awuno edifio. Apart from Kofi Awuno. Why pan you didn't know parliament and say you can't say council of state and say you found president and nominating a young force. Intinia may patch and say the same suggestion. So the Constitutional Review Committee, no, Omunya Adie be about Buama, the position of the Electoral Commissioner, and to that extent, the position of the Chief Justice. And yet to say President Bawumia and ye. And I mean, yes, suggestion say because he said Electoral Commission ne conditions of service that is a court of appeal judgment. And I yet Rollins in a buyer or the obiti safari previously no would tell ye Electoral Commissioner no at the free court of appeal direct. Okay. It's 79 Third Republic there no. Na papa ne find Mr. Justice Kingsley Nina or your court of appeal judge. Papa Penimo in his 60s. And non kayenyi court of appeal yanya is a court of appeal judge bia na ni jeho so person Electoral Commissioner for Ghana. Onfa ni di enko. Enti sabeye enum and almost omo pe star position na. Yanya say the Superior Court of Judicature, High Court, Court of Appeal, Supreme Court, any Ghana Bar Association registered members in Yan constitute into an electoral college. No halfway, no muni, a mubaku so no electoral commission, yan fanema or minor. Let's just say where the electoral commissioner will come from, no president and the party, no, we know who be yet. We be say a transfer. Now, Charlotte say, Anna, Mahamadu Charlotte say, by. And this is MP, even though or conduct election ma, MPP noa, sorry, NDC no, I don't buy no LUC, but the next government never buy no Betamon. Energy men sanction and Akufo Addo I don't know, buy. Or conduct election ma, MPP no, I don't buy no LUC, still no, or your enemy to NDC. Which is rightly so, because of Nipa or Deno Eba, Wokra, Nebata Winchai, or Bako Shia, where we are seeing Nara, the BBI of Feda. And Tina may patch say, Yankofa Kwala Metanoche, no Mamma Ninya Wokra, Neba. And no matter how good your performance might be, you're making sure that choir your fast you will, and your political party president in a Dubai. Then the last one I said yesterday, I'm repeating here, and they said, which acquire your fast way ye di Charlotte Senua. Mini Mahamad, Namum, Yabia Samango, a Brena Mijina Forma, Yawana, Ubakacham, some men from Kosuan, Sanamusa Mango, Abre. A Urano or yet relatively a young person. President, why would he consider the age? And it's a pension at the age of 70. Into that time, near did you mediano a share with some. So what the 50 years in part? It means to say, by the time of 20 years in Beban, that is what conduct election, baby, by 5 for cry. Until you know about Boa, President, you know, you wouldn't. The party, Ombakwa Babato, and I will know better on 2 or what they are. We almost party member, Omodano, Omo Ada. Yeah, you one, people so by the same mistake. Ekofa, a relatively younger person. So I'm also making one seven on purpose. The moment you do that, the party for be about better. So better. Now, Sabia Yakwa Court of Appeal Judge be Madame for be the Justice Wilson, a J. Wilson. I already on your basis 5 years, 66 years. What the better now? Upon that election about the baby. Number 2, when you dip up penny. And young education and change, school, final change. Now let's also emphasize age and experience. Yeah. Nipa when you need penny move our woman and none of the classmates when you penny for into your casachanwa or tie and almost and then the back casano see and penny for. As against Obia, let's say 45 to early 50s, in case I will company for I want to mean fano and come. and I'm here for me you know I don't know to vice president no say you see ya nimini sabi men you know who about what chin and nimami who Jimesa between and say ya because when you are into a person who no now shall be a good answer. I suppose you are vice president. He said no one family. It is a man of life. The actual office of Kojina not 2 hours no children. Here penny matured person. Now educational engineer sabi. Obia qualify, Obia never Obiano or qualified for education factory chain. Not to the beer, ya me Obi or matured, and then Rami concluded so Rollins. No, what early 30s, 1917 or better cheer, so that 1 penny for Kumkum woman. Come on, no way. So the same opportunity buyer in Casafon Konya Washi, Adintra, a experience. When ya our abrabom into minimisa before so but we know I regret it completely but I am wishia and ye into your wadia branch here to me and your wadia penny to me and you know so be Sammy your mind yes say immediately the power of the president so to be appointed chief justice so to be appointed electoral commission yes there were institutions in the Waha to me apprentice of one after I was University Teachers Association of Ghana. I've been from quite a go. And two person we are chief justice, and no person we are easier. What do application? They are constituted into a panel near screen work. Almost screen work we are young for one court. Now judge of what Ghana name constitute into electoral college. Name to a benny mubako. Let's say that position is in the Ghana ni PA himself. And Kwankwaya say the talk of words one or Baba we Juma. And Kwankwaya say Baffoe Boni, I didn't buy and Kofas as I can Baffoe Boni no president and I confirm in the friend I'm to say or Baba Pami Yisi. I didn't see any Petumikasa. All because president na a ye your friend is a chief. And Mama concluded that Baffoe Boni is a different person. Come be any so ya Santini na pinch case no become MPP in Pacho or the Mrana dear Ejuma. One fat ne tribe na dear Ejuma. And not to court them in our Rollins and then a year about your book case and I'm yet not some work court and a papa who be jawi. Your born the unity of solid and no answer regina. And about Bonnie Sam and a fast track high court jet. No new baby and percent. And no be son or pretending so names of Rollins here. Head of state president, whatever way. Ozankamasa, now what was the no so or man a moral support. Pachogan and Indian so disciplined that they were caught. And to Baffoe Boni in your beer, Sir President Mahamadu Ejuma edition and Sir, or Beya President Mahamadu Juma, or Beya Sanya Brano SCS. Medasi
pa na lawyer wait there in 1 minute commenting my comment section ho aye deja wo Facebook kwafasi say Ghana Bar Association na mukra no aye politicized na ajajefo ni bi kra no kwan ya tokodo no otimi fa so manipulate wo mu bi no ase ho so kra ye trust no ebe free ho kra tisi ye send the electoral commission akwa hye wo monsa dia back to square one now.
And I mean, so many patches and say, the Ghana for who said Ghana Bar, a politicizer, next just a Ghana for your politically alert. And your commenters are, I like it. In the other, I am my drink, and tis a mature normal, baby, Lumiansa. Naba Queen, ya, me only the judiciary.
Yeah. Hey, you are helpful. Military for now omoni Martin Kweku ekwo didi na temu a Martin Kweku so respond ya e ma o detain no anyway ye once and yesi asa so bonyum ba ko ma me na me fa last one enso so office na mo kra yesi yempe office na mu na wakopa no the office of the special prosecutor no yesi yempe it is waste of resources. Boyaka ekahuru aye online ye nyamfa so bia mfi so memetax ene ye de ba ho ene ye se yempe because all this was a charge sheet back ho e kira ye kwa na account no na yasese bia kira ye kwa say ye osisa charges no. So I'm asking myself say on what grounds and what terms has no
inconsistencies.
On what grounds? And what time?
Lack of evidence.
Courts. As a woman who we no about to assemble to unim. I didn't know yan aya konongo kaya. Konongo kaya and why your cases ni bimu. Onu a onkyere ne wonsoa onu so ontwe ne homa attorney general soa eno wa ya barrier no osi honom eti we Ken Ofori Atta de waje aboso konongo kaya onu a ontwe ne homa obu nsoa onu so ade na osoa no me ntia say the what I don't understand
papa nso criminal law law school
you Martin Kwebu
no I'm not
can say Gyamfi na media me nya no na fa me
na eya me wanwa say obi a wo lecture in criminal law
afa ni my Kwebu voice na ready ambo ma ye nko ni mo
na adwuma kakra we ya yetwa budget ama o sika do so puo na wontumi nya adwuma die na sebio bra resign ka resign
me dwene wa amenti ase also what did ten when him say also a catch them is on uncover property on
ni dimu emra
enti enu ayantie lawyer Martin Kwebu ewo okasa wo TV3 the reasons why you detain you know yentie no na yen
he can pretend he has nothing to do with it but he's the head okay the one who called the policeman to arrest me he's called Seth Ablomensa, Seth Ablomensa, he's the chief of staff at the OSP. He's the one who directed Mr. Opoku, the policeman, to arrest me, right? And what was it? As, you see, earlier on in the day when I went in there, I came out to grant this is an interview. So when I returned, then there was a soldier. Can you imagine? We'll come to what a soldier is doing at the OSP, performing police duties. We'll leave that aside. But when I got back into the OSP, then one of the soldiers told me, and by the way, they weren't wearing name tags. They didn't have name tags, and yet they were performing police duties. And there were two policemen too. So one of the soldiers told me that, but we allowed you to park. You see, the tone we allowed you to park was like even parking was a favor. So I didn't understand. Next time when you come in here, we will not allow you to go out. So I retorted that no, he has no right to curtail my rights. In any event, I'm just there to help. Right? They said come and give further information. I'm not under any investigation. I'm not a suspect. I'm not an accused person. So then I continued going. Then a colleague of his, another soldier, then shouted to me, that next time I do that, I will see. That's what I said. Next time. So that kind of threat, the Ghanaian English. Next time you do that, you will see. In Ghanaian English, that means he will cause me some harm. You will see. There will be consequences, even if it's not physical harm, but there will be consequences. So I turned and gave him the same answer that no, he has no right. I'm not a suspect. Even a suspect, can you do that? So I said he had no right. Then next thing I knew, he said, I'm stupid. That's what the soldier said. The soldier said, I am stupid. Oh, of course. So I turned back and told him that he's also stupid. So we exchanged a few words. And then one of my lawyers pulled me for us to go in. We went, and then, as usual, the OSP chose to present employees. When we had made it clear at the second meeting that, look, considering that almost all of my allegations are against Kisi Agyapong, who is a special prosecutor, and these are his subordinates. The subordinates can't do much about their bosses. Martin, they say do that. Can you investigate, if let's say, Mr. Nyama, your this COO? You can't investigate Mr. Nyama, much less the MD. So that's the same thing. And even before I was invited, Ghanaians had said it on various social media and private messages to me that how can OSP investigate itself? But you know me, I'm a law-abiding citizen. I thought that as long as they can do something to accommodate that, to show independence, I'm willing to give the information. In any event, I'm almost done. I'm presenting the petition to the president for onward submission to the CJ. I have a lot of charges. As I'm talking to now, I have over 15 charges against Kisi Agyapong. I'm not running away from this fight. So the least they shouldn't have even tried it. You don't try such a thing. You see, you don't try such a thing. It just tells you the very incompetency, my arrest and detention. underscores the incompetence with which Kisi Agyapong sat down and allowed Ofori Atta to run. Kisi is not up to scratch. Kisi has never been up to scratch because you see, how would you arrest people when I had already said it? Today is 3rd December. I mentioned on 2nd of November, you can check on the key points that I'll be presenting a petition for its removal. So such a person like me, and you know me, once I say I'm going to do this, I'll do it. So just stay clear of. Look, I don't mind the arrest, even assuming the exchanges with the soldier were illegal and so amount to something that they want to arrest. Remember in law, there's a difference between arrest and detention. The arrest is you tag the person, you are under arrest, I'm investigating you for so and so offense. So when you are done, admit the person to bail, right? Then let the investigations continue. Can you imagine Ablomensa said, yes, they were admitting me to bail, but I should bring a property in my name. For what? So soldier insults me, Martin, you are stupid, and I also tell him you are stupid. That's the effect of the words. So that's the reason why you were detained. Yes, that I should bring property in my name. And where's the indenture? Fortunately for me, my office is just about 10 minutes from the OSP. I have indenture in the office. So when we argued, my lawyers argued for about 15, not that continuously 15. My lawyers made a plea that, look, I should be given self-recognizance bail, right? And then said, Ablomensa said, okay, he would go consult. So he stepped out. So we thought it was going to be a favorable response. So when then subsequently he came in about 15 minutes and said, no, they would not do so. They will not vary the conditions to give self-recognizance. So then I told Mr. Marcelinus Bia, one of my lawyers who accompanied me, that, okay, Marcel, go to the office. I have indenture in my name. Just bring it. And my office is just, you can see, you can attest. This less than 10 meters drive to the OSP. So Marcel came. Long story short, so Mr. Ablomensa asked that I be handcuffed and taken into custody. That it was too late, and that even when we brought the indenture, they would have to do verification. So practically talking about justification for exchanging words with a soldier who didn't know the right thing. He's not supposed to be performing police duties. A soldier performing police duties in the OSP. You see the very thing we're talking about. Article 210 of our constitution is clear that, look, you soldiers for war and then maybe some development activities. But here you had the police, two policemen in there. And so if anything, if you think the building is under threat, anything, you use the soldiers as backup. But if you go to the OSP, the soldiers are performing frontline duties. You see, this thing have been mentioned that soldiers are taking away the work of the police. You see it has manifested. It's not only in the galamsey fight. Now, ordinary OSP, soldiers have taken away the work of the police, performing frontline duties. If you think the building is under threat, let the soldiers be at the back. Let the soldiers be at the back. What are they doing front line? And there was a policeman. Now let me repeat with all the emphasis. Look, get it. You see, as I mentioned, the policeman who initially came and told us to move, we shouldn't do the interview where we were. You know, when I came in, he said nothing to me. He's Mr. J. I don't see his first name. Usually they'll just put the surname. J. He stood there. He was quiet. Then I went past him. But these soldiers who couldn't contain it. So you see that there's a difference in the training. Police are trained differently from soldiers. Soldiers is war, high aggression. So for them, they couldn't contain it. So the policeman who came and, just like we're doing this interview, told us to move from the, we're not on the direct frontage of the OS.
So that was lawyer Martin Kwebu. What church reasons why and ra omo detaining on a baby and many can say also. Anyhow, I said, I don't get it. The whole thing I don't understand. Lawyer Kisi Agyapong, obi ani woni problem. Me problem I me no want to say office now work occupy no. Ye boka wo office no ho a ye nyamfa so obi free office no so. As simple as ABCD. Enti ye se office no ye Ghana for ye se ye mpe. And ye catch President Mahama say only office in free ho. Na sika puduo na ye de ba wo office wa na ye nyamfa so obi free so no. Ye for say sika no nkɔ bo attorney general. Wo lawyers ne wo mo ka ho a wo ne wo ye adwuma no. Ye che wo mo gu attorney general offices no so na be yi a. Ye reassign wo mo na ye decentralizing attorney general office no to the district level. Wo say Ghana ye pay duplications dodo enti office ebetimi performing ABCD no ni a create office bebre enti office ba akopɛ ni duplicates be na ɛwɔ hɔ OSP ade ya wo we duplication of attorney general pure duplication of attorney general because the powers no ye fra attorney general ye poni bi fra attorney general ene de man no me ba cho bra biam ne enko enti se ekoba ne say wo ubetimi ameki arrest ubetimi ameki is clear in the law.
Good morning.
Pa cho wo ho ye de
Nyankopɔn adom me ho ye pa.
Ye da nyame ase. Wadaroma lawyer Martin Kwebu any OSP issue a wo montemfa allegation a oye ede to ne so a wo so wo meyi ne ho ano. I think say san komo no wa follow but enra ye wo ho anwumra na ye tin say wa handcuff na detain no. Enwum ansa na ju konko ko be 11 ye tin say wa yi no ye nsemchofo ne Martin Kwebu di nkomo e mo kire say Okasa panel na was set no subordinate to Kwabena Agyapong. It was to say open independent body. No ni soja ni bi kwako ntokwa. Soja ni be didi na tem no so retaliate ye e no mo detain no. I don't know. OSP detaining somebody no on what grounds obetimi detaining will be because he him so arrest powers do.
Pacho meje etu me say OSP and as Office of the Special Prosecutor, our powers of arrest. Now our powers of arrest. Next say, sentinel, a bind upon it, police for 2 million at the amount. Into our power of arrest. Now our power of arrest, our power to detain. And now our power to detain, then you will have power to investigate based on the arrest. Into NFA power to prosecute. Na nini no to do with corruption and corruption related issues.
Okay.
It is
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.